Hi everyone, and welcome back to Clean Up with Kelly. In this video, I show you how I do my pumpkins. I painted them and just put some ribbon on. So if you want to see that, then stay tuned. So everything I have is actually from Walmart or Dollar Tree. So I have some chalk paint, brushes, some ribbon, and then the pumpkins were under $3, I believe. And I wanted to apologize, when I did the first pumpkin, I didn't realize how off my camera was. So I am going to cut to the second one, but basically I just painted the tops of them white. And then on the first one, I'm just shadowing in with some black, and I'll show you my technique. So you'll need a paper towel or cloth and kind of wet it, and I use this to smudge and smear the paint. So if you're looking for like a rustic farmhouse look, it's a lot of smearing and kind of weathered, so I always use something wet to smudge the paint together and kind of give that weathered look. To get the ombre look, I use some white paint and I speckled the bottom to kind of make the white flow through to the teal part. And here I'm just using this fabric ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I was trying to figure out what to do with it. I ended up just tying two pieces of it together. Now onto the second pumpkin. I'm mixing some black and white chalk paint to get this dark gray color. And then I'm going to start on the bottom and kind of flow the brush up towards the white part. I didn't feel it necessary to paint the bottom since it's just going to be decoration, so that's how I just saved some paint, just kind of doing what's shown. You can paint the bottom if you like, but I like to save paint for other projects. One of my favorite reasons I really like the farmhouse, like rustic look, is because there's not really too much rhyme or reason. You can kind of just paint wherever. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just really nice and easy, and it actually comes together really well. So it's not a perfect line. There's smudges, there's white parts that are showing, and that's actually fine. So now I'm just painting the stem on this. I was going to try to make my own stem or put some, like colored tape around it, but I figured just painting it with the gray color would look nice. So now I'm just taking the small brush and putting the gray kind of in the grooves. I didn't go all the way up with this. I just kind of shadowed a little bit and kind of make it smudged. But again, farmhouse, rustic is not perfect, and that's the way it should be in my opinion. Now I'm just putting some of the gray paint by the stem, because if you look at a pumpkin, it's usually kind of dark around the stem area to the orange part. Now just showing off my painted DIY hands. Don't you love that? So here I'm just tying some ribbon. I wanted to make this one a little bit more glam because the other one was pretty rustic with that cloth ribbon. So I put more of the silver on the white and gray pumpkin. Okay, so here's the two finished pumpkins. I had a lot of fun making these. I didn't really have too much of an idea when I went into it what I was going to do, but that's kind of the fun part of DIYs, is you kind of get creative as you go. So here they are in my entryway. I might add some like black and white checker cloths there, but I think they look great. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.